Prince Andrew's accuser Virginia Roberts Giuffre's secret deal with pedophile Jeffrey Epstein has been released by a judge. Comments unavailable. The Duke of York's lawyers have been hoping the document could be key to ending her lawsuit against him, which is due to come to court tomorrow. The document reveals the terms of a $500,000, £371,207.50 payout from Epstein's estate to Ms. Roberts Giuffre, who was abused and trafficked by the multimillionaire. The 12-page document, which was unsealed and made public by a New York court on Monday afternoon, revealed the terms of the £370,000 payout from Epstein to Ms. Giuffre. The document notes Ms. Giuffre agreed to release, acquit, satisfy, and forever discharge Epstein and any other person or entity who could have been included as a potential defendant. The document continues, it is further agreed that this settlement agreement represents a final resolution of a disputed claim and is intended to avoid litigation. This settlement agreement shall not be construed to be an admission of liability or fault by any party. The parties further confirm and acknowledge that this settlement agreement is being entered into without any duress or undue influence, and that they have had a full and complete opportunity to discuss the terms of the settlement agreement with their own attorneys. The settlement relates to a Florida state case to which the Duke was not a party. Ms. Giuffre is suing the Duke of York for allegedly sexually assaulting her when she was a teenager, claims which he has strongly and repeatedly denied. A New York judge has been hearing arguments on whether to dismiss her civil lawsuit, which is seeking unspecified damages. The 2009 deal details how all other potential defendants are excused from all manner of action and actions of Virginia Roberts, the documents show, but does not mention Prince Andrew by name. Ms. Giuffre's settlement had been kept under seal, but in December judges ordered it to be released today unless good cause could be shown otherwise. The Duke's lawyers maintain that a clause in the agreement precludes him from being sued by Ms. Giuffre. Ms. Giuffre claims she was trafficked by Epstein to have sex with the Duke of York when she was 17, a minor under U.S. law. She was pictured with the royal and Ghislaine Maxwell during the period the alleged intercourse took place. The Duke's lawyers have argued the deal releases him from liability because it covers royalty and that Epstein had insisted it applied to anyone who Ms. Giuffre might sue. But Ms. Giuffre's lawyers say the agreement applies at most to people involved in underlying litigation in Florida, so excluding Prince Andrew. They have said he should not use the 2009 agreement as a get-out-of-jail-free card. Lawyers for Andrew, 61, have argued that Ms. Giuffre is seeking a payday from her accusations against Epstein and his associates. The prince has not been accused of criminal wrongdoing. He argues the confidential agreement Ms. Giuffre reached with Epstein, whom she has accused of trafficking her for sex when she was a teenager, shields him from liability. Ms. Giuffre's civil case against the Queen's second son is still in its early stages. U.S. District Judge Lewis Kaplan has said a trial could begin between September and December of this year if a settlement is not reached. Prince Andrew gave up many of his royal duties in November 2019, stating that his association with Epstein had become a disruption to the royal family's work. Ms. Giuffre's suit is separate from the criminal trial against Ghislaine Maxwell, which concluded last week. Maxwell, 60, was convicted of recruiting and grooming girls for Epstein to abuse between 1994 and 2004. Ms. Giuffre's claims did not form the basis of any of the charges Maxwell faced, and she did not testify for either side during the 3-week criminal trial. Epstein killed himself in jail cell in Manhattan in 2019 at the age of 66 while awaiting trial on sex abuse charges.